there are two processes. ठीक है, दो प्रोसेस हुए थे in the late 18th century, that too in Europe, and because of it demography developed. Yeah, it was instrumental in the development of demography. One of the process was the formation of nation states. I did say you in the last class that nation states, they have a definite boundary, they have a diverse culture, yeah, diverse people living within that definite boundary. But there is a definite set of rules according to which the people are governed, and there is a single authority which is governing that particular area. So that is what is a nation state. So the formation of nation states, that too in the late 18th century. And when I am saying 18th century, all of you must remember it is after 1750 and before 1800. So after 1750, you can see that there was French Revolution. Then there was the creation of nation states, not only in France but also in Netherlands and the nearby areas of France. So as a result, nation states ka creation hona. Or dusra, one more thing happened during this time, and that was the modern science of statistics developed. So because of these two reasons, if you are not able to see this, we can squeeze it like this. हम लोग इसको स्क्वीज करके आपको दिखा सकते हैं. Now, it must be visible to you because you have the book. So what I've did is that I've squeezed this. This one is not visible, I know. The bookish part, it's not visible, but this part will be visible to you. Got it? So that is what. So these are the two things and the beginning of. The modern state had, sorry. The modern state had begun to expand its role and function. It had, for instance, began to take an active interest in the development of early forms of public health, management, policing, maintenance of law and order, economic policies relating to agriculture, industry and all. That means nation state ka development hua. And this nation state, what happened with the development of modern nation state, the role and functions of the modern nation state, it expanded. That means now the modern state, it was performing the function with regard to public health management, with regard to policing, with regard to maintenance of law and order, with regard to economic policies, and also with regard to policies related to agriculture and industry, taxation, revenue generation, and the governance in the cities. तो कहने का मतलब late 18th century में we saw that there were certain reasons why demography it developed because of the coming of the nation states, and with this modern nation state, the role and functions of the modern nation state, it increased. Now it was dealing with public health facilities, it was dealing with policing, it was dealing with maintenance of law and order, it was dealing with economic policies related to agriculture and industry, it was dealing with taxation, तुम्हारा, and revenue generation and the governance of the cities. फिर उसके बाद बोलता है कि this new and constantly expanding sphere of state activity required systematic and regular collection of social statistics. I did say you कि social statistics or quantitative data on various aspects of population and economy. So we can say that because of the increase in the role and function of modern state, कि because modern state का role और function increase कर रहा था, so that's why now there was a need for a systematic and regular collection of social statistics as well as formal statistics. दोनों का systematic और regular collection होना था. And this practice of collection of social statistics by the state is in itself much older, but it acquired its modern form towards the end of the 18th century. ठीक है, that is social statistics जो है वो collect करना, since many years it has been collected since ancient times, but when we talk about a modern form of collecting social statistics, they took place at the end of the 18th century. Here we have to talk about the American census 1790. It was the first modern census and the practice was soon taken up by Europe in the 1800. Indian census को भी connect किया गया by the British Indian government between 1867 and all, and then we know that decimal system of ये क्या बोलते हैं क्रिएट कर रहा है.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.